And the TMC has now distanced itself from the viral video. TMC has said that the party does not support any such attacks.
তৃণমূল কংগ্রেস কোনোভাবেই এই কাজকে সমর্থন করে না। প্রশাসন ইতিমধ্যেই পদক্ষেপ গ্রহণ করা শুরু করেছে। আমরা চাই যারা এই কাজ করেছে প্রশাসন তাদের বিরুদ্ধে দৃষ্টান্তমূলক ব্যবস্থা নিক। সেখানকার আমাদের জনপ্রতিনিধি, আমাদের বিধায়ক, তিনি বিষয়টি নিন্দা করেছেন এবং তিনিও বলেছেন কেন এটা হয়েছে সেটা দেখবেন। তৃণমূল কংগ্রেস তীব্রভাবে এটার নিন্দা করছে। বিজেপি বা সিপিএম যদি এই ধরনের কাজের সমালোচনা করে তাহলে হাসি পায়। তার কারণ যে বামফ্রন্টে 34 বছরে অহরহ এই ধরনের গ্রামে পঞ্চায়েতে সালিসি সভা বসত, যে বিজেপি শাসিত উত্তরপ্রদেশ বা গুজরাট বা বিজেপির বন্ধু রাজ্য বিহারে এবং মধ্যপ্রদেশে এখনো এই ধরনের ঘটনা ঘটে, তাদের মুখে এই সমালোচনা শোভা পায় না।
And CNN News 18's editor East Kamalika Sen Gupta is joining us on the story. Kamalika, give us more details about this whole incident, the video that has been going viral, and the BJP has now been blaming the TMC for it. Tell us more about it.
See, this is an incident which took place last week. That's what we are getting it from the local sources. Now, this video is not verified. Now, what happened that there were some local issues like this. Both of this, one male and one female, they were having some relations. But the local kangaroo court, the local Gram Sabha people, the strongmen of the villages, they called them and they beat them like this, which is absolutely, which is heinous, which is condemnable. And you can see the video, though the video is not verified. Video has been tweeted by Mohammad Salim and Amit Malviya and a lot of BJP leaders. But the thing is that this video is horrific, which is now doing the rounds. Now, police seeing this video, they have registered a suo motu case. They are raiding places and they have arrested the main accused, the person who is locally known as JCB, who is Tajmul. He is said to be close to the MLA Hamidur of Chopra, who is a TMC MLA. Now, what we are getting from local sources that this person also during the Panchayat election, this person was very strong in, he was used as a strong man by TMC there. That is also coming up. But TMC, we have seen that the way Hamidur has reacted, that means the local MLA, he has condemned this issue, but he has said, he has questioned the character of this woman. And then he said that it happens in Muslim Rashtra or Muslim caste, but here it is excessive. This statement of Hamidur is itself very much questioning, very much condemning. Everybody is condemning his statement, though the video where he is seen this giving this statement is also not verified. But the question is, how can he say this as an MLA of this region? That is a very big question. Now, definitely the BJP is totally in attack, questioning the law and order situation of West Bengal, fighting this. On the other hand, the Trinamool Congress has said it. We have got Shantanu Sen's reaction. We have got Kunal Ghosh's tweet where he clearly says that this type of act is condemnable and they condemn this. The police is going to take highest action against this. Main accused is arrest, and anybody defending this act is also will not be pardoned by the party. So that is where it is clear that it might happen that party will take steps against Hamidur, but will TMC take steps against Hamidur? That is to be seen, because whatever he has commented, his statement is absolutely condemnable. He has said, he has questioned the character of this woman, was beaten up badly, and he has said that this happens in Muslim caste, in Muslim Rashtra, something, and here it is excess. So that is where the opposition is really has taken up the guns, and they are actually blasting the Trinamool Congress.
All right, Kamalika, please stay with us. Let's take a look at some more political reactions on this story.
BJP National President Mr. JP Nadda has said that women are not safe in Bengal after the video that was emerged yesterday.
We are not going to take any lecture from the BJP or Mr. Nadda, because we know that the people of Bengal always say that Bengal is the land of Mamati Manush, it's the land of Mahila Shashakti-karan, it's the land of woman power. Whatever has happened, it's really disturbing and action has been taken. But we don't want BJP to come and say that women are unsafe in Bengal, because one of their double engine Sarkar state is called the rape capital of India.
देखिए, कुछ बिहार में एक महिला को दंगा करके तृणमूल कांग्रेस पूरा इलाका घुमाया। जिन लोगों ने ये काम किया सारे तृणमूल कांग्रेस का, और किसी का खिलाफ कोई व्यवस्था सरकार ने नहीं लिया, प्रशासन में नहीं लिया। और मैं कहता हूं एक महिला मुख्यमंत्री का राज्य में जो महिला सुरक्षा नहीं है, इस एक जाता जिकता उदाहरण है। तो हम चाहते हैं अभी तुरंत इन लोगों को गिरफ्तार किया जाए और ऐसा कठिन दंडित किया जाए जो आगे चल के ऐसा साहस कहीं यहाँ करे।